How to clear system storage without deleting apps. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clear out your system storage without deleting any of the apps. Without any further delay, let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your default file manager on your Android device. I have my files for my Samsung device, so I'm just going to open it up. And once you open it up, you need to go ahead and click on the storage section over here, tap on internal storage, and as you can see, I'm able to find all of the internal files here. So let me just quickly show you first how much storage is other files and system files taking up on my device. For that, you need to tap on the gear icon on settings menu. From settings, you need to go ahead and find your device care. So just go ahead and tap on device care. Then go over to storage. Now you can find all of the files over here. Tap on show more. Now you can find the system files and other files. As you can see, system files is 14 gigs and other files is 71 gigs. What you need to do here is first off, go over to uninstalled and unused apps. Tap on it. And these are the apps that you barely use. So you can just select them and uninstall these apps. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and go back. And then once you have done that, you can go to review old images or duplicate files. So you can clear that as well. So you can easily find duplicate files over here. Just tap on it to select them. Now just go ahead and tap on delete at the bottom and you should be good to go. Now the next step is to go over to your file manager. And then here you need to go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right and go to settings. From settings, make sure the show hidden system files is toggled on. And if you go back here, you can find all sorts of hidden files on here. So these dot files right here, the ones that have dot in front are hidden files. You can go inside any of your folder and easily delete these dot files. You should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you clear out your system storage without deleting other apps. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.